Yo, 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 yo! Dansoy, amateur cook, aka Batman in the kitchen. Welcome to the food zone where we take this journey together, learning recipes as one. Today's really quick meal. It's putting chicken together with vegetables and fresh herbs, adding some kosher salt, cooking it in healthy olive oil, and using a splash of white wine. So for today's recipe, we have spinach, zucchini, garlic, tomato, yellow bell pepper. We have cilantro, the white and green parts of the scallion, fresh dill. We got the chicken that I always use, white wine, kosher salt, and olive oil. So the thing we're going to do to get started is we're going to turn our stove on and put it to medium. Alright, so with that on medium, just throw some olive oil in there and get that started. Let that heat up. Alright, so we got the olive oil in there. The thing we're going to do is take the dill, cilantro, and scallion, and we're going to throw that in there. Then the thing you're going to want to do next is throw some of the spinach in there and just start working it. The thing you want to do is like how I prepped this ingredients, try to do that all the time because it'll save on your cooking. So if you have to, turn this down to low. Sorry the light is not great today, but it's really bad outside. So let's give this a minute. Alright, Facebook and YouTube, we are back. Now we're going to throw in the other ingredients. Look at the color inside that pan. Alright, so the next step is take some kosher salt and just throw some in there for some more taste. And just start working this together. If you have to, throw in more olive oil. Olive oil is never bad. So put some more in there and just stir it about. Let this cook up, and then we'll add the white wine and the chicken, and then we'll just let this cook, and it's done. That's how you can make a quick meal in 10 minutes. If you have everything prepped and you have chicken that's already pre-cooked. If you don't want to use chicken, use shrimp, use beef, but a lot of times it's a lot easier if you cook the meat before. Alright, so our next step is to take this white cooking wine and just put a splash in there. Just watch that it doesn't flash up in your face. So you're going to want that wine to cook off, and we're just going to stir this. If you wanted to, you could add even more fresh vegetables. You could add a shallot, different onions. You could throw some green beans in there. But you could see the wine in there. You could see it right there. You're going to want to cook this off. When it cooks off, then add the chicken. And then after that, we just keep it warm. Let all the flavors blend together, and you have a healthy meal. And call it whatever you want. Alright, so we cooked that wine down and everything else. Now we're going to take the chicken. Like I said, I use this Naked Truth all the time. It's grilled chicken and it saves a lot of time. But if you want, use whatever kind you want, and or cook your chicken fresh. Then the thing we're going to want to do is now to start working this together. If you want to take a knife, cut these chunks to even smaller, and now keep your stove between low and medium, and let's just let this cook for a little bit. Alright, so I have the chicken in there, and I keep stirring it. So when you do vegetables, a lot of them will cook down, and you know spinach, that'll cook down, so you have to add double or triple. But this is good. Like, I'm not going to put this over top of anything right now, but this would be good over top of rice, egg noodles, or if you wanted pasta. But it would be really good over rice for sure. or the perfect combo with egg noodles. So just cook this as long as you want. Let the flavors blend together. And this is where you can get a healthy meal that tastes good. And if you want it, you could add more vegetables, add more herbs. It's all up to you. Alright, so we're done, YouTube and Facebook. There's your healthy chicken and olive oil and veggies and herbs in less than 10 minutes. So the best thing to do is use your imagination, plan things out, and use creativity. And you can make some really good dishes with different flavors. And like I said, this would be perfect over top of rice or egg noodles. So thanks for visiting my channel. Thanks for spending time with me together. Time with Dansoy and time with you. I'm coming to you today in 4K POV, point of vision, point of view, where you see everything from my eyes and my hands. So you be safe and talk to you soon. God bless. Peace.